What's going on YouTube? Awesome CWE back with another video. And today we got some booster packs. I had already started a video on my phone, but I ran out of storage. So I've already opened the packs and they're already out of their stuff, but they're in the order. Oops, sorry. Going with my dad's iPad, so it's kind of weird. But let's get started. I'll just throw this to the side. It's kind of sad because I ran out of storage, but there's my binder and all that stuff. Let's get started. Okay. First, we'll start off with a Evolutions Charizard pack. Goodness gracious. Alright, a little. Oh, there we go. Upside down. Starmie. Ugh. Yeesh. We did not get a good card, but here's a code. There you go. Move the pack out of the way. 1, 2, 3. Let's see what we get. Super Potion. Ooh, Charmeleon. Nice. Venusaur. Staryu. Onix. Ooh, yes, Energy. Voltorb. I love Voltorb. He's a pretty cool guy. Tangela. Sorry, it's a little awkward how I'm holding this. Ooh, a Reverse Revive. And Farfetch'd. I hate Farfetch'd so much. Sorry to the Farfetch'd lovers out there, but he's just not my favorite. So let's open this. I'm opening another Charizard pack. Ooh, I messed that up there. And, oh man, didn't get a good card, but here's the code. Sorry if it's a little close, because, as I said, I'm filming on my dad's iPad. So it's like, ooh, goodness gracious. Ooh. Okay, Slowbro Link, Brock's Grit, Haunter, Sandshrew, Vulpix, Electabuzz Party! Shout out to Hardcore Lecter, Drowsy, Ponyta, Sandshrew, and a Beedrill. Cool. I like Beedrill. He's a pretty good guy. Now, Venusaur. Can we get some luck out of Venusaur? Let's see. I'll open the pack off the camera. Save this pack. Let's save this pack. I like saving all the packs. And get it down the side. Again, sorry for being so close to Mario Kart for me. Oh, man. Good try. But, here's the code. Leave down in the comments what you get. This isn't my best pack opening. If you go check out my other videos, I have some pretty good ones. Okay. Venusaur, I love you. There we go. Sorry, card collector. I love your slogan. Machoke. Super Potion. Magikarp Army. Lightning Energy. Caterpie. Ghastly. Diglett. Tangela, and Farfetch'd. Okay. Well, that was a good pack opening. But yeah, that was okay. But we got some pretty cool reverse rares, I think. This is a reverse rare. I think it has to have a star by it. Focus. Huh. Well, that was, I'm glad about this guy. I don't think I have Charmeleon. But this was an awesome pack opening. Now I can actually add it to my green box. Okay. And actually, I may show you my green box. So, sorry about this positioning, but that's iPad. Okay, so basically, this is where I keep all my random cards. This is where I keep all my good cards. This is where I keep all my random cards. And that's my deck box where I keep my deck. But, sorry if it's a little shaky. I'll actually pull out stuff one by one. Hopefully it doesn't turn out to be a long video. We got some cool stuff right here. Sorry, that's my dad up downstairs. Okay, there's some cards. There's my training deck. That's if somebody comes over and wants to play. Those are just random cards that I don't care about. And here's the rest. Here's all of the cards that I have, like, in this box. Now, I'm going to add the cards that I just got to that pile. And, yeah, it's a pretty, this is what I kept my cards in for a couple weeks. And then I finally got some sleeve holders, or I think it's just like binder holders from my brother. But we got Starly, Skiddo, Condor, Catchern, Max Revive, Staryu, Pansear, Escape Rope, Pansage. This is like a weird position. I put stuff places. Stuffle, Cutiefly, Nuzleaf, Corsola, Trubbish, Totodile, Target Whistle. I just have a bunch of cards that is pretty cool. But yeah, I can kind of fan out, like, if I wanted to see. I can do an in-depth video of all of my Pokemon cards, but I feel like that would be too boring for y'all. But if y'all want me to do it, leave a comment down below. And thank you for watching the video, and hope you like and subscribe to my channel. And see you guys later.